Imagine why. Imagine why a harja inniu tá mé ag teagasc ag Oideas Gael. Rin mé vlog in Oideas Gael couple bliain ó hin, bhí mé seo ag freastal chuirsa deir Ceannaigh, ach faoi láthair tá mé ag múnú. Well, bhí mé ag múnú an teart an seo caite, tá mé ag múnú an teart an seo thugann. So tá mé caiithú cookiese an seo, agus is sprálam é. Hiel mé go méise jazz sibh a thuirt lá ag Oideas Gael lá sa gláán. Bhí an amsir aonanta mai inné agus a ruú inné ach níl sé chomh jazz inniu an dráthúir. Tá seans go méid sé níos fearr, níos molia ach tífimuid. Tá sé seart mámate dhéag go dtí a deich. Agus caithfí mé olbhú do mo chud rangan a bhí mé olbhú a réir agus tá níos mó le holbhú agam. Bí me múnú ón a deich go dtí a haim. Bí an sosté idir 4:09 agus 4:10. Agus bíon siad a cansel chéile ag chláirte a god Gaeilge, so caithfí mé olbhú do máidin an sin bé soslón ón a hain go dtí a 3, agus an sin rangan a rééis ón a 3 go dtí a 5, ach sosté sa lár. Tá mé ag múnú level a 3, tá short level an seo an teart an seo mar tá codhór daoine, so seo cinnal advanced beginner. Rin muid an amsir chaite, inis táid dírithe ar na maithúchain agus na réamhacail eile. Bíon ahan lá integríthe an seo bé iráníocht ar siúlanacht, ní hééis sin an imart is barlam, so ban go bhecamid níl mé cinse go mé mé an taprónarm is múntar mé mar sin ní chaithí mé mé an Island. Agus tá mé leis na chalíní bhhaile sibhéin a chur in aithne.
Is leis Fiona, is as California me, agus tá mé grasú an level shop.
Claire sa Ceannaigh, agus tá mé grasú ar level shop.
And will she like bring sulta at Oideas Gael?
Why them?
Because that's all in it, talking all in it. Come out as the bench on the blower to be like Gaeilge, like in some ski, agus
Aaron Trap?
Oh, Keitha.
I'm going to talk green and
Tá. Agus an Roche an seo riba?
Bhí Claire an seo, Mira me sin seo.
Oh, arrows. Why who? Ceannaigh. Oideas Gael. And Shaw. Laura Leahy. Well, gur míle maith as a bheith canslum. And will fara go birch. And will tursart, will opera sort. Okay? Is there hunger on you? Her Nora Kesh ní slúpa. Kajé mar Gercher, I became tired. Tiredness came on me. So one Hanig Farigurm came anger on me. I got angry. So people might think I got Furme Fariga, but that's very like direct translation. So you can say Hanig Tursa Hanig Broner came sadness on me. I got sad. I became sad. Hanig Sketchamy excited. And then if someone makes you if someone makes you feel a certain way, they put them up on Cur to Ahis You put happiness on me. You made me happy. So instead of thinking Rinna, made, Rinna to Ahazur, no, her to Ahazur.
Her to bra or put love on me.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Her to bra, our fad, or
It doesn't quite the
yeah.
same ring to it.
Talent show. Talent show. I know. Has anyone heard the expression ta'ahis and doin or
Yeah. Yes. Tiredness of the
Ahis
world.
and doin.
We did do the tiredness of the world is upon me.
So just to recap, let's fill it in on Will Tursa art. I'm gonna ask me, are you tired? Is there tiredness on you? Ta, Hali Tursa her to Tursa I became tired. You made me tired. You put tiredness on me. Ta Tursa and Doin Urim.
Conch, air, sausage rolls, air sauté, her, a akras.
Oh, and my flat sausage rolls. Oh yeah, it's brown.
Cad é an focal partner?
Parchi.
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 Oh, it's about Parchi.
Every time.
Say that one, Farchi.
Oh, like a party?
Let the Farchi.
Oh, kosher is
Kosher party.
but like a political party, they would say.
It's the same word.
Yeah.
It's Parchi. Yeah,
Oh, 'cause
it's the same
like
word
a
for.
partnership.
Yeah, because it's not a kosher is a celebration, but a political party, Parchi. Nisma Lamshakacha August Mahuchain Galor Mahuchain. So an hay tourist a rinme in Etchlan. Volunteers let a hull.
Ceannaigh dunne malúr agus go whitelog autograph. So my hail legal is, you know, it's my daily life now. No, to panja, so you have a nice pen. And we'll should Ray. I'm recording myself, by the way.
know it's funny because
You've got a double view.
yeah.
Lucky you.
Lucky us, yeah.
Nah, I don't like my thumbs. I don't know why I did that.
You don't like your thumb?
I've got tiny thumbs.
Let's see. Massive thumbs.
That's why I don't go to the sauté. Being she had a kind of ordo. Yeah. It's Branham and Focal thumb. Ordo.
Ordo.
Yeah, O-R-D, O-F-A-G. Ordo. Makes me think of like ogre.
Dogs are barking. You got that all on video? Trust in the dog.
Yeah. That'd be funny to watch back because my face is probably like. The different ways to express to in Irish. These are the absolute main ones. First of all, to a place. So there are a few ways to say that. Go, gaji, hun, hig. There's a sign when you're walking, like shul, gaji and chat tower, and you're just like shul, Suez and Crick up the hill over there. It's a little covered, but it's for Burns. It says Falche go Glen Colmkill. Welcome to Glen Colmkill, because it's not the Glen Colmkill, it's just Glen Colmkill. Gaji is before the definite article. So Antra, the beach. You say who image Gaji Antra. Yeah, Gaji and Dune. Yeah.
Tá mé ar an trabán the Silver Strand agus tá sé galanta. Mar tháinig sibh bhí cuidmhór staire le siúl agam a cuidmhór céimeanna agus caithfí mé go suas in é seo, so bé sé sin níos stalaí, but tá an trá go hálainn mar ecinn sibh. So bíonn cuidmhór daoine ag teart an seo ó Oideas Gael. Níl sé rá ada ó Oideas Gael, beidir 5 guaimte dhéag ag tiomáint agus is tráfiar speisialta é seo. Tá mar chus a fluch báte inis. Ní raibh méid tuairt ard ar an méid uisce i teart seo mar gheall ar an bhlog. Mar gheall ar raibh se. Seo an arc agus tú ag siúl síos. Is mar Molly an mentor an seachtain is as le Ceannaigh mé agus ar dús curthaimid aithne ar a chéile. Cén taine atá ort, cá háas tú, cábhail tú I do chónaí.
Dírit is me Ceannaigh agus as an isiltíí mé tá mé I mú.
Ó go leis céal Tá sé an am te.
Anis. A dói.
Ach, tá mé ddíireach inne teachas straach.
Inis feire. Cabal tú de chonaí.
Tá mé I Magoni I Utrecht.
Good jazz. Okay, well, a charge. Tá sé an am te.
Aris. Goeta.
An bhfuil tú ag magú?
O dún de bhail.
Ní bhí am ag mágu faoin te. Fáiltear ais an ro cup an te jazz agah? Cabal Noah.
Ceshwai.
Yoimaji.
Ginche.
Tá sé an seo?
Noah.
Noah.
Marble te. Agus Marv Gaeilge.
Stop, Noah. Okay.
Cheers, Rich. Agus Padraig.
Padraig?
Tá mé I...
Oh.
Okay, a hain, a dul, a tree.
Who?
Tree do a hang. Tree do a day. Tree do hang.
What?
We're queuing you in.
An ro cup an te jazz agah? An ro cup an te jazz agah?
Moscow.
Oh, we're just like fine with it. We're fine with Noah's death.
Yeah,
We're just like chill.
Marble te.
Agus Marv Gaeilge.